What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick comparison of Huawei Y8p and Y9s smartphones. What are the differences between these two devices and which one you should buy depending on your requirements. So let's start it. So the very first difference you will find in terms of design. Y8p comes with a 6.3-inch screen while Y9s comes with a 6.6-inch screen. So obviously in terms of size, Y9s is a bigger smartphone compared to Y8p. Another difference is in terms of build quality. Even though the back panel of both of these smartphones are pretty much same, Y9s got a glass back panel, while Y8p comes with a plastic back panel. Y9s comes with aluminum frame while Y8p got a plastic frame. Also, Huawei Y9s is 1mm thicker compared to Y8p. So because of that, and also because of the overall smaller size, Y8p is lighter compared to Y9s. Y8p weighs 163 grams and Y9s weighs 206 grams. So the difference is too much. So in terms of build quality and design, Y9s is more premium and beautiful looking smartphone compared to Y8p because it comes with a bigger screen. There is no notch on the screen. Instead of plastic, the frame is made of aluminum metal, and on the back side we got the glass instead of plastic used on the Y8p. Talking about the screen, Y8p comes with a 6.3-inch OLED screen with a notch in the center, while Y9s comes with a 6.6-inch LCD screen, but there is no notch on the display of Y9s. The resolution on Y8p screen is slightly better compared to Y9s, and because of the smaller size, the PPI you will get on Y8p is more compared to Y9s. So in terms of display quality, Y8p is a better smartphone compared to Y9s. But if you need a bigger screen and you hate a notch on your smartphone screen, then Y9s is the better option for you. Talking about the hardware, both of them got Kirin 710 processor, 6GB RAM, 128GB storage. But the difference comes in terms of software. Y8p comes with Android 10 along with Emotion UI 10.1, while Y9s is still running on Android 9 and Emotion UI 9.1. Another major difference in terms of software is that on Y9s, Google Play Store is available along with all of the Google services. But Y8p does not come with Google Play services. Instead of that, you will have to use the app gallery to install any application that you want, and the Google services like Google Maps, Gmail, YouTube, etc. applications will not run on the Y8p smartphone. Another major difference in terms of design and hardware is that Y8p comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, while Y9s comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor embedded in the power key. So if you want an in-display fingerprint sensor, then Y8p is the better option for you, and if you want a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, then Y9s is the better option. As I have already mentioned, both of them got 128GB storage and both of them got expandable memory option as well. But the difference is that Y8p comes with a nano memory card slot. So you will have to buy a special nano memory card if you want to use it along with your Y8p smartphone, while Y9s comes with a regular memory card slot. So you can use any standard microSD card with your Y9s smartphone. Both of them got 4000 mAh battery with 10W charging. Y8p comes with Bluetooth 5 and there is NFC provided in the device as well, while Y9s comes with Bluetooth 4.2 and there is no NFC on Y9s. Talking about the camera, both of them got exact same rear and front camera setup. The only difference is in terms of the design of front camera module. On Y8p, we got a notch on the screen where the front-facing camera is placed, while on Y9s, we got a trendy pop-up motorized front-facing camera that also contributes in the overall beautiful design of the device. So if you want a fancy-looking pop-up selfie camera, then Y9s is a better smartphone, and if you're okay with a notch on the screen, then Y8p is going to serve the purpose as well, because both of them got exact same front facing camera and also the rear camera. So these are the differences between Huawei Y9s and Y8p smartphones. Which device you think is better for you? Feel free to share your feedback in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon as well to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.